guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going over some items that I received in a Korean skincare box that I purchased. So if you're interested in that, then let's just go into that right now. So the first item that I pull out of this box is this Snail Essence Mask Sheet. It looks like this. Super cute. Alright, so it says it's enriched with snail secretion, filtrate, and various nutritive components to deliver abundant moisture and nourishment deep into your skin. So I'm really interested in using this. I love masks that moisturize because I have really dry skin. So that's what this looks like again. So I will have to try this out and do a review on it afterwards. Also, I got a Moisture Milk hand cream. It's really cute. It has little cows on it. Like, all this packaging is super cute. Alright, so it says it's a nutrient-rich milk protein extract, is instantly absorbed into skin and leaves behind only the comfort of perfectly soft and smooth hands. It also strengthens skin's natural protective barrier and reduces moisture loss. So let's open it and see what the actual bottle looks like. Again, it's super adorable. Has a little cow on it with little cow prints. I'm just curious. Let's see how moisturizing this is. I can open it. Okay, so let's see. Just put some on my hand. Ooh, that does feel very moisturizing. It doesn't like leave a film or anything like that either. Very soft. So I'll just probably keep this in my purse and like use it whenever I need a little pick-me-up for my hands. We also got a Lador Sleeping Clinic ampule. It says it's from a Lily of the Valley extract, lotus extract, Dalmatian iris root extract, Edelweiss extract, jasmine extract, and lily extract. Professional salon care. So this is a hair product. It says after shampooing, apply an adequate amount on your hair and let it be absorbed into the hair as if you're tapping it in. It can be used 24 hours without a conditioner and is not washed off. So it's like a leave-in conditioner. So that'd be interesting to try out as well. Also, I got this Blume Jeju Moisture Aloe Vera Mist. It says it's for all skin types. It's supposed to be moisturizing. So let's just see how this is what it looks like. Let's see how that is. You're just supposed to put it on your face. Let's see. Well, it definitely smells very good, that's for sure, but I have to use it a couple times. I mean, it doesn't feel like it dried out my skin or anything like that, but, interesting. I'll have to try that out a few times and see how that works. And then I got a Hoji Tea Sleeping Mask. That's the packaging. And it says, keep your youth. So, I am assuming that it's supposed to put it on when you're sleeping at nighttime. It's supposed to keep you moisturizes, but let's look and see. Oh, okay. So, keep your youth Hoji Tea Sleeping Mask. So it's a sleeping mask. Anyway, it looks like that. So, and then there's like a little pamphlet in here, so it tells you everything. Like, okay, so let's see. And the spray right here is $12. And it says the mist absorbs quickly to give your skin a refreshing boost without feeling sticky. How to use: close eyes and spray onto face anytime you need a moisture boost. Avoid contact with eyes and mouth. Okay. And then the hair product right here. It is $4. Retails for $4. and it's a keratin power fill-up sleeping clinical ampule. Works its magic overnight to infuse damaged hair with keratin so you can wake up to soft and smooth hair. This leave-in conditioner is mess-free and time-saving, so you don't miss out on your beauty sleep. How to use. After washing hair, towel dry, apply the hair ampule onto damp hair and work through with fingers or a comb. Blow dry hair and sleep. So that would be really good for me to use during the winter because that's when my hair gets super dry. And then these little hand creams here, they retail for $9. So, and then little sleeping mask. It's an overnight mask that contains an abundance of polyphenols from hojika, parched green tea leaves, to help moisturize and soothe sensitive skin while improving your skin's natural barrier to prevent moisture loss. Its compact capsule packaging makes this pack travel friendly too. How to use. After cleansing and toning at night, apply adequate amount on face and neck. Rinse off with warm water next morning. And this retails for $4. So I'm really interested in trying these, the Korean skincare, because I've heard really good things about the Korean skincare, you know, and I just want my skin to look as youthful and rejuvenated as much as possible. And what I like about this is I purchased this box from FYE. It's a store in our mall. But it says right down here, if you like what you see, the Korean beauty products, that you can go to kbeauty at mishibox.com. So that's where you can get like more Korean skincare. I'm sure they have more to offer on that website. So I am interested. I'll have to give these a try, and if I like them, then I'll have to check out that website. And then just a few randoms a couple randoms that I want to share with you. So I got this mask at Victoria's Secret. It's called You're My Blueberry Jam. Best Kind of Blues. Is a super fruit sheet mask. And it says, hail blueberries, the original superfruit, calm skin with the sweet little powerhouse. So I am interested in this, you know, because I've just lately been really liking masks. So I would probably try this, like, if like my skin was a little bit irritated, because it says that it helps calm the skin. So when my skin gets irritated, I will try that out. And then I got these really cute little face masks. They're Hello Kitty masks. I love Hello Kitty. And these are just Ready Set Glow Sheet masks. This is 24 karat gold, promotes glowing skin, hyaluronic acid, intense hydration. And I'm all about the hydration, girls, because my skin is so dry. So I'm definitely gonna give this a try, and I'll let y'all know how I like this. So if you like what you see, just make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And also, if you would, comment down below and tell me what some of your favorite skincare products are to use. Alright, bye guys!